Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix YouTube search history not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For fixing this problem, first of all you need to open YouTube. So go to YouTube app. Now tap on profile icon. Now open YouTube settings. So tap on settings icon. Now scroll down. Tap on manage all history. Now tap on not saving your YouTube history. Just go to this option. Now here you can see YouTube history turn on option. Just turn on YouTube history. Again click on turn on. Now tap on got it to confirm. Now go to YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.